In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to learn how to interpret footage to change frame rate, which means adjusting how Premiere reads the original frame rate of your clip. This method is especially useful when you shoot high frame rate footage like 60 frames per second or 120 frames per second and want to convert it into smooth, slow motion inside a 24 frames per second or 30 frames per second timeline. Let's begin. First, go to your project panel, right-click on the clip you want to modify, choose Modify, and then click Interpret Footage. A window will appear. Under Frame Rate, you'll see an option called Assume this frame rate. Enable that option. Now enter the frame rate you want Premiere to treat the clip as. For example, if your footage was shot at 60 frames per second and your sequence is 24 frames per second, type 24, click OK. Now when you place the clip on your timeline, it will automatically play in slow motion because Premiere is redistributing the frames over a lower frame rate. This method gives smoother results compared to simply reducing speed using speed/duration. Important note, interpreting footage changes how the clip behaves everywhere in your project, not just in one sequence, and that's it. You now know how to interpret footage to change frame rate in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.